Hi, we are Giulio and Lorenza, and we're both members of the Bosch Alumni Network, and we'll be traveling from Italy to Romania, going through Greece and Bulgaria to attend the conference from 12th to 14th of August in Romania. We'll be traveling by our camper van, so we would like to meet people who want to share with us. And we are experts in horizontal governance systems. We are experts in systemic design. Our approach is systemic approach, and we own a purpose-driven company, which is called OZUS. OZUM stands for Ocean, which is a sacred forest, and this expresses our idea of a holistic point of view. And the WESI stands for Work Employment Society. That's our passion, work employment society. Our purpose is to promote horizontal governance models and to reshape society into small groups of people who are really engaged for the common good. While traveling, we would like to meet people who can be interested in start a business partnership with us to promote our models in the Balkan area and to develop new models together. We also would like to share ideas and maybe a couple of beers with someone who wants to think about the topics that will be the center of our new and upcoming book, which are power, impact, and control, and how power, impact, and control affect and are managed into horizontal organizations, and the more general point of view, how change makers relate with power, impact, and control. So you will find a tentative version of the book on our website, but we really would love to exchange with you and spend some good time together.